Hello, and welcome back to our partner training series presented by ServingIntel for your point of sale system. In today's video, we will pick up where we left off in our previous video where we created a daily special menu. And in today's video, we will learn how to create and place the daily specials button on your front-end terminals. So we will start in our back office. Once there, we will click the maintenance icon followed by the button maintenance icon. This will bring us to our button maintenance configuration window. From here, we will select Daily Special from the function drop-down menu. You can scroll through the list, or you can just begin typing daily, and as you can see, the list will bring you to the correct function in the list. After we set the function for this button, we will then select the menu and set the button position. Before we do that, let's take a look at our front-end terminal screen and decide where we would like to place this button. So we will get logged in here to our front end and go to our bottle beer screen. And as we can see, we already have a lot on the screen. So let's take a look at our draft beer screen. And looking at our draft beer screen here, we see that we have plenty of open slots to put our daily special button. So we're going to put this button in position 2 on the screen. And to explain a little bit about button positioning, let's take a look at this next graphic here. And as you can see in this graphic here, the numbering for the terminal screens goes from left to right and top to bottom. So we will go back to our back office and enter the menu screen and position number. Now that we've set the menu screen and position number, we can also set a minimum security level or choose to have a manager approval for use of the button by utilizing these options right here. But for this menu button, we want everyone to have access to it, and we don't need a supervisor's approval, so we will not activate these options. Next, we can set the width and height using these adjustments here, and we can also adjust the button appearance. If we would like to manipulate how the physical button will appear on the front end, we will click the Edit Image button here, and this will bring us to our Edit Button Image configuration window. So let's go ahead and play with the image settings here. Let's make it a bright color so that our employees can see our new button right away, and we'll also go ahead and name our button. Once we are satisfied with the appearance of our button, we will click OK. Then, once we are back on our button maintenance window, we will click File and Save. And that should have made and placed our new button. But let's go to the front end terminal and make sure. So we'll get logged into the front end and go to our draft beer screen and find our button. And there it is. Let's click it and make sure that it's pulling our Bud Select, which should be our special for today. And sure enough it is. Congratulations! You've successfully created a daily specials menu, created the button on the front end, and tested it out to ensure it worked. So if you enjoyed the helpfulness of this video, please make sure you click the link below to subscribe to the ServingIntel channel. That way you can stay up to date on the latest tips, tricks, and new technologies available to you from ServingIntel. And as always, if you encounter any issues with this or any other aspect of your system, please call the ServingIntel service desk for 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week premium software support by dialing 1-888-477-7711 extension 2. Support tickets can also be generated by sending an email to service@pos.partners, and your support request will be handled quickly and efficiently by one of our highly trained and dedicated support staff members. Thank you for tuning in to our Partner Learning Series, and be on the lookout for more helpful videos and tips coming soon. And most importantly, thank you for choosing ServingIntel for all of your restaurant technology needs.